Okay, here with Lilty Cliff, Jimmy Cliff's daughters. And you're based where?
I live in Miami.
Oh, you live in Miami.
Yeah.
What was it like to be here and see, you know, this pouring of love out for your dad?
Well, I love Jamaica. You know, I really consider it one of my homes. So to come and to have everyone honor him and celebrate him was really beautiful. And I'm just so grateful to everyone that came and that we get to keep celebrating him in his heart.
I mean, it's your dad. Tell us something that's unique that only you know about him.
Rice and peas. I love the beef. Oh, something only I know. Well, don't tell my brother this, but I think I was the funniest child. Just personally, I think he thought I was the funniest. So that's one thing I would say.
Okay, and clearly he inspired you to get involved in music, right?
Yeah, of course. He always supported me. He was my #1 fan, and just always told me, you know, anything I want, I can get it.